Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone sound and vibration setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix phone vibrate for call problem. Friends, you want to fix guys your Poco phone guy vibrate for call problem. So how to fix? Friends, your phone vibrate on call. So friends, you want to fix this problem. So how to fix and how to solve guys phone vibrate for call problem. Today friends we are going to talk about. First of all guys, we will on Poco phone setting. After on Poco phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see guys your Poco phone sound and vibration setting guys. Click on sound and vibration setting. After click on sound and vibration guys, you want to set guys any notification sound, so you can set your notification sound from here. Friends, you want to set alarm sound, so you can set your alarm sound also. Ringtone setting guys, you want to set any your phone ringtone, so guys you can select ringtone also. You can set ringtone guys. As you can see, silent mode setting, silence median, silent mode, do not disturb setting is here. Additional setting is you can use guys your all system sound, dial pad tone, touch sound, screen lock sound, screenshot sound. So friends, you can see your vibrate for call setting. So friends, you can see my vibrate for call is on. That's why guys my phone vibrate for calls. So friends, you want to fix this problem, you want to solve. So how to solve guys, click on guys your vibrate for call setting, your problem will solve. So friends, your Poco phone will not vibrate for call, means on call your phone will not vibrate. So like that guys, we can fix get this vibrate for call problem. And friends, you want to fix direct guys, you don't know about where is your vibrate for call setting and how to fix this problem. So guys, search bar guys, we will on. Friends, you can see vibrate for call setting here, we will click here. So guys, your vibrate for call is on, and guys by mistake you have on it, so guys only off it, your problem will fix. So friends, after a vibrate for calls, our phone will not vibrate for calls. This problem is solved in Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.